Here comes the ambulance. The fire alarm has gone off and all the windows have been shut. The loudspeakers saying visitors please leave, do not use the lifts. And we're just sitting here waiting to see what happens. Here comes the number 2 fire engine. Can't reach over much more because of my arm.
You can get through.
Fire engine is backing. Yeah, we're just looking.
The fire trucks are here.
Yep, we're just looking at them. I'm just videoing it because, you know, what else do you do?
There should be another one.
So does this mean our lunch is now smoked, whatever it was, instead of
Hopefully not.
roast something, it's smoked something?
Everyone's on video. What?
Well, that's what you do now, isn't it? Isn't that what people do?
What a change.
Just as Melbourne pain relief's all kicked in, you can move around a little bit.
Okay, you guys don't need me. I was here to check on you, but everyone's on the video.
Not moving very fast.
They aren't, are they? Can't get the plate off.
Right?
Can't get the plate off the water thing.
Be right.
Oh, spouts water all right. So we just watched the man spout the water out of the water thing.
Hi there, Mr. Adelaide. My name
Hello.
is Jared. I'm one of the doctors.
Okay, hang on, let me